Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial session here at Monster Funnel. This is Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to change the layout of your widgets in a block. Now, if this is your first time watching one of our videos, I suggest clicking the link at the bottom of the video to visit our website, and please check out our trial period for our drag and drop visual editor and website and funnel builder. Also, we've uploaded a whole series on how to build your first website. So let's get started on today's lesson. This is the page that we've been building in the past 3 episodes. If you take a look, we have our heading, our image, and our text box here. And it's pretty vertical, you know, looks like a high school project, or looks like it was done by a high school student who's just learning how to use HTML. Now we want a bit of more professional looking website, kind of like one of these blocks, right? So how do we do that? We can change the layout by basically clicking and dragging. But since we only have, or all of these elements are in one block or one column. So if we want something like this or like this, we can do so by adding another column. How do we do that? Just click at the very top and let's add 2 columns. Okay. Now we want our photo to be on the other column. We can make our photo larger like that. Or if you want it to occupy the whole column, you can simply delete the image widget and change the column settings and assign a photo or an image to that column. So it stretches to the whole column. Now, the size of the columns are pretty symmetric. We want the picture to occupy a bigger space on the container. So just drag the slider here. Okay, let's save and see how it looks like. There you go. Okay, looks a bit off because there's no space or there's no margin. So why don't we assign a margin? Now, if you drag a spacer, you can add a spacer that covers the whole container. So what do? You add a new container. Containers are stacked up vertically there. So if you add a container there, yep, it would look like that. Now the space is pretty, or the container is pretty large. We want it to be just right, and you can't drag it. What you do is add a spacer in the container to control its size. Now let's remove the margins, and there. Now that looks better. And if you want people to, book, just add a button. So how do we add a button? Go to the widgets, drag a button, and there you go. Now we want our image to pop again. So just click on the settings and scroll down. You can add a border or you can add a shadow. Here, let's add a shadow so that your page wouldn't look two-dimensional. We want this here, and we can remove the spacer actually. There. Let's add some space there. Book now. All right, we've shown you how to edit buttons in one of our previous videos. Well, let me show you again. So click on the button. If you want the button to be round, just move the slider for border radius. And we want a different color there. We can also assign a hover color. What I usually do is I just invert the colors. There. And let's save. What if you want a background color for your border? You can do so. Like that. Let's change the color. Oh, actually, that's already the global color. Yep. There, that looks better, right? Now, we don't have a color here, or the button is right at the bottom. We want to add a spacer there. There you go. Simply adjust. And there you have it. We have changed the layout and added a button. Now it looks more professional. Let's make this bigger. Okay. And now we have successfully edited our block. And it doesn't look linear anymore. And that's it for me today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and watch out for our next video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.